Welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you looking to control who can duet your TikTok videos? In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to prevent others from duetting you on TikTok. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Privacy. Step 6. Scroll down until you find the Interactions category and tap on Duet. Step 7. Here, you have 2 options. You can either select Only Me to prevent others from duetting your videos, or you can switch your account to private. By switching to a private account, others won't be able to duet your videos without your permission. By following these simple steps, you can have more control over who can duet your TikTok videos and maintain your creative integrity. Thank you for watching and enjoy a duet-free TikTok experience.